In the ancient lore of the Khasi people from the hills of Meghalaya in northeastern India, there exists a profound creation myth that explains the origins of humanity and its separation from the divine realm. This story revolves around Ka Jinkying Sire, the Golden Bridge or Golden Ladder, and Uhinutrepp, the 7 huts or 7 nests, which represent the ancestral clans of the Khasis. It is a tale of harmony, transgression, and eternal longing for a lost connection to heaven, passed down through generations as part of their oral traditions. Long ago, before the world knew division, the supreme deity, Ublay Tre Kinrad, God the Lord Master, created a celestial home known as Ki Kadhinryatrep, the 16 huts in the heavens. Humanity originated from 16 divine families, called Kadhinrutrep, Kadhinruskum, 16 huts. These families lived in perfect harmony in the heavens, where all creation spoke a single language, allowing humans, animals, plants, and even rocks to communicate freely. The earth below was a lush paradise inhabited only by animals, birds, reptiles, insects, and vibrant flora, but it lacked human presence. To bridge the heavens and earth, Ublay planted a magnificent sacred tree or vine at the summit of Ulam Sapetning, the navel of heaven, a holy hill considered the umbilical cord connecting the two realms. This was Ka Jinkying Sire, the Golden Bridge, made of shimmering sacred vines called Tangnub Tangri. It served as a ladder or pathway, allowing the divine families to descend to earth at dawn to till the fertile soil, cultivate gardens, and enjoy the beauty of the world below. However, Ublay decreed a strict covenant. They must return to heaven before dusk each day, maintaining the balance between the realms. As long as they lived virtuously, respecting the laws of man, nature, and divinity, the bridge would remain open. In time, a divine council was held in heaven. Mother Earth, Kame Ramu, and her husband felt lonely and prayed for companionship to tend her gardens. God blessed them with 5 children: the sun, moon, water, wind, and fire. Yet, to fully populate and care for the earth, it was decided that 7 of the 16 families would descend permanently to earth, becoming Uhinutrepp, the 7 huts, and their land Rehinutrepp, the land of the 7 huts. These 7 clans, the ancestors of the Khasi subtribes, including Kinriam, Nar, Bowie, War, and others, were tasked with ruling the world and safeguarding Mother Earth. The remaining 9 families stayed in heaven, forever separated but spiritually linked. For a golden age, known as Ka Sat Juk, the Age of Truth, the Hinutrepp prospered on earth, ascending and descending via the Golden Bridge in harmony with nature and divinity. But as humanity grew and spread, they began to forget the covenant. Driven by desires for power and independence, they disobeyed Ublay's laws, making their own rules and violating the principles of virtue. In one version of the tale, a malevolent individual among the families, resentful of divine authority and seeking to rule over the others, saw his chance when the 7 families were on earth. Believing that severing the bridge would isolate them and make them easier to control, he took an axe and cut down Ka Jinkying Sire. The bridge collapsed, stranding the 7 families on earth and severing the direct link to heaven forever. This act led to the fragmentation of the single language into many tongues, impairing communication with nature and among humans. Though the physical bridge was lost, the spiritual connection endures in the hearts of the pure, known as Ka Minsium Sire, the Golden Soul. The Khasi's pilgrimage to Ulam Sapetning annually on the first Sunday of February to honor this myth, seeking renewal and remembrance of their divine origins. The legend serves as an allegory for the consequences of severing ties with the divine, warning against hubris and emphasizing harmony with nature and God. From the 7 huts descended all Khasi people, who continue to cherish this story as the foundation of their identity.